In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect LinkedIn to HubSpot quickly and easily. Whether you're using LinkedIn for business networking or marketing purposes, integrating it with HubSpot can immensely enhance your workflow and data management capabilities. So let's dive right in. First, we'll start by navigating to the HubSpot homepage. This is where all the magic really begins. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button, which is usually visible right at the top. Go ahead and click on that. If you don't yet have a HubSpot account, you'll need to create one before continuing on with these steps. For those of you who already have an account, just enter your login credentials to access your HubSpot dashboard. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the HubSpot home. It's from here that you'll be able to navigate to various tools and options that HubSpot offers. As you explore the homepage, locate the marketplace icon. Don't worry if you're not sure where it is, it's typically represented by a small shop icon situated somewhere in your navigation bar. When you find it, give it a click. After accessing the marketplace, you should see a variety of options available at your disposal. What you're going to do next is click on Apps. This will display a list of all the apps and integrations that are compatible with HubSpot. Among the list presented, you need to find LinkedIn Ads. Take your time to scroll through or use the search function if it's available. This step is crucial because selecting the wrong integration can lead to unexpected results later on. Once you've located LinkedIn Ads, the next step is to click on it. This action will bring you to a new page where you'll be presented with detailed information regarding the LinkedIn Ads app, including functionalities, user reviews, and more. Pay attention to any specific requirements or settings you might need to adjust. Now, to complete the integration, look for the Install App button. Clicking this will trigger the installation process. You may be prompted to log into your LinkedIn account or give permissions for the integration, so be prepared for that. Ensure that the permissions requested are in line with what you're comfortable sharing and what you need for your particular use case. And that's it, you've now successfully connected LinkedIn to your HubSpot account. Remember, this integration can offer powerful insights and streamlined data flows between the two platforms, enhancing your ability to strategize and connect with your audience effectively. If you encounter any issues during this process, be sure to review the installation steps or consult the help sections available on both HubSpot and LinkedIn. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and tricks.